Hello, welcome to Vigilant Online Workshop. This is Suraj Sawant. The today's topic would be SQL injection. We are going to learn what is SQL injection, what do you mean by injection word, and what exactly this attack is. So before elaborating it, I would like to show you some example so that we'll come to know how does exactly this attack work. First, we would like to surf through encrypted.google.com, which is secure browsing, which we have learned earlier. I'm going to use one of Google Doc to find out some admin pages so that we'll be allowed to attain some SQL injections. In URL is a famous Google Doc to find something which comes under URL. Let's say admin login dot any extension in which web development can be happen. Say ASPX. See, by typing this, here we are able to see all the results which are having admin login in its URL. We'll take first URL, the very first URL, which is having Satyam Group of College, Badwin. See guys, this is live examples, so don't ever try to attempt such kind of hacking on live examples. We are going to teach you how to practice all these attacks on DVWA, that is Damn Vulnerable Web Application. So first, over here, I don't know the username and password, but I have one string which I'm going to apply over here. That is 1 or 1 is equal to 1. The same string I'm going to copy and going to put on the password field. Let's see what happens. You can see after login, I'm logged in. Now all the sensitive information is present over here. By this site may get defaced totally, but we don't want to do any such kind of malicious works, so I'll just sign out over here. We'll see what that string mean by. See over here, this is a string which I have put over there earlier. Behind every admin login or any password or username asking, there's one SQL query behind it. That SQL query is nothing but select star from table, let's say Satyam table, where username is equal to and password is equal to this. Now this is the exact query which is responsible to retrieve any output from this page. Now I just put this string over here and over here too. Now we'll see what is the exact result we are going to get after firing this query. Select star from table where username is equal to 1. Now we know that there is nothing like this record, that is username is equal to 1, but we are putting our clause over here which is saying 1 is equal to 1, which means this is satisfying this condition. Again, password is equal to 1. Again the same, they are not having any password which is equal to 1, but we are putting the same OR clause over here. Again 1 is equal to 1. It means this is satisfying this condition too. Now all these records, all these data are satisfying both of these conditions. The whole query becomes true. Now the thing is, after we are executing any query successfully, we are going to get that login account. Let's say we are going to put the same string over here. We are able to log in right now. Thank you.